Face. These lashes are just amazing. These are from my girl Tandy Gama. It's called Lash Me Baby, is her lash brand, and the lash I'm wearing is Fantasy, which I just love because it's like wispy and spiky and fluffy and Welcome to another Vlogmas. Today is an exciting day. It is Sunday. I had clients this morning, and then remember on my other vlog you watched, I went shopping for Guess outfit. Well, today is the day. I just said Vel, like Afrikaans Vel. Today is the day. I am in love with this outfit. Guess has got the coolest clothes lately. I mean, look at these sneakers and these pants. I mean, I spoke about them in my other vlog. This is also one of the brand new bags. It's got like the dome shape, and usually Guess has like the rectangle bags. So this is pretty new, which I love. This belt is reversible. It has actually got like this brown side as well. And then I just went for like a plain cute tee with a little Guess logo. I think this is so versatile. You can dress it up with a nice skirt. You can dress it up with jeans, with tights. So yeah, that is Guess is also wearing Guess. But I think this is from the winter collection, so I'm not sure if you can still find him in stores, but he looks cute.
Oh my gosh, there's even more gifts. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh. I was running to this one. I know. Like, wait, let's find the nice line. Yay! I'm gonna have red lipstick. Sorry guys, she's taken. Oh, yeah, getting married soon. Yay! How pretty is she? Oh, I love you guys. That's your fault! You broke the candy! Candy broke the candy. Candy broke the candy. No. Candy's man broke the candy. What do you mean? vlog before in my life. Girl, you look good on camera. Please just look at please just look at her brows, guys. You need to go and watch her brow tutorial. Unreal, unreal.
So much fun. Was it fun, husband?
It was nice. Really nice.
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We had a party, and thank you so much to Gates for having us.
Until next time, kids.
Yeah,
You better stay sweet. Otherwise Santa's gonna give you no present.